Welcome to step 2 of the spreadsheet template, your estimated quarterly taxes. So people will ask me, do I really need to pay quarterly taxes? The answer to that question, unfortunately, is yes. You have to do the calculation to know if you need to pay quarterly taxes. Now, doing your quarterly tax calc when you're self-employed or an LLC includes your personal information, because you file your business with your personal. So you may need to get your tax return when you go through the calculation in the spreadsheet in the next videos. It may be helpful to have it. And there are fines and penalties if you don't do your quarterly estimates, and you're required to. Even if you haven't done it all year, the spreadsheet right now, there's only one quarter left, fourth quarter. So you can get caught up and avoid fines and penalties if you would have incurred them at this point. So fourth quarter is due January 17th this year. All of the quarters are due the 15th of the following month of the end of the quarter, but because of weekends and holidays, often they get pushed up to the 17th. So fourth quarter is due January 17th, 2017. Now check back and there'll be another spreadsheet for 2017. And I'll tell you the quarters right now. So first quarter is 3 months, as you would expect, January, February, March, due April 15th, just like infamous taxes. And then second quarter is 2 months, May, June, due July 15th. Third quarter is, again, typical, July, August, September. And then fourth quarter is 4 months, September, October, November, December, which is fourth quarter now that's due in January. To be honest, going through this calculation, it'll really help you understand your taxes. Everything else out there that shows you how to do quarterly taxes, it just gives you the amount that you need to pay to avoid a penalty. Now, my spreadsheet does what all my clients really wanted, which was it will tell you how to pay taxes as you go so that you don't owe at the end of the year. So it'll give you all the information each quarter. It'll tell you, number one, if a payment is required, the amount to pay to avoid being penalized, fines and interest, and the amount to pay as you earn. So meaning, if you made $100,000 last year and you made $2 million this year, then you actually don't have to pay most of that tax. You won't be penalized, but you'll still owe $100,000 come April 15th. So my spreadsheet will show you the amount to pay as you go. So it can really be a good process to go through this, and I promise I make it as easy as possible. And wherever you have any questions, just write down your question and ask on the video, and I'd love to hear from you. All right, thanks.